Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I am here to share a couple more pages to my mini glue book. um, this is so cute. This book is so cute, guys. I'm just in awe. Um, so I did a couple pages that I wanted to share. So I did a couple tip-ins or flip pages that I thought was really cute. So I did that one and I did this one. And then this one is a pocket. Well, both of them are pockets. See, this is a part of a pocket. So I still had the pocket and then I tipped it in. And then this one is the same thing. The other side is a pocket. So it just gives you more room to add stuff to. And I just put some, I love this paper, this Paris paper. And then I did these two pages. I just added some scrap paper and some lace. I added Tim Holtz dolls, Goodness and Wonderful. I thought that was really cute. And then last page I did this. And I'm just randomly picking pages in my book and I'm just creating. And then this one I had an idea to use stickers. These are old alphabet stickers from SEI back in the day. And I had this idea. I spelled out vintage style. And this one is supposed to be an E, but I didn't have an extra E. And then I added this chipboard arrow, and then on the edge here I added a lace tab, and then I added grateful. So just bits and pieces of stuff, and then here's a heart. My friend Nada thought this was a butterfly. It was so funny. And she goes, "Oh, look at that butterfly." And I'm like, "What butterfly?" But that's a heart. So you can't really tell, but it was funny. It was funny. Um, so yeah, those are my pages in my glue book so far. I am loving this. This is so much fun. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.